trying the burger, and let's see how it tastes like.
Oh God. Super wow.
So let's see.
Stay
You guys can see how beautiful it looks.
Wow.
So perfectly. Wow. So let's see.
Wow.
Hey guys, it's unforgettable eyes, and today we are going to be trying Brazilian food in India.
Hi guys, today we are on the way to try the most famous Brazilian cafe, or you say it cafe. Oi! Hi! Jose vou ao famoso Brasil. No. Sorry. Jose vou ao famoso café brasileiro. Vida Café. Vamos. Gostosinho, comida.
Vamos.
So guys, we finally found the most famous Vida cafe, which is found in Bangalore. One thing amazing is that this is the first and only Brazilian cafe in India. There's also as well a Brazilian restaurant called Botego in Bangalore. But to be honest, Vida cafe gave me a lot of good vibes.
Guys, we just reached the Vida Cafe Bangalore, and now we are about to try it. Stick with us, we'll be having a little mukbang of trying the Brazilian restaurant food. Let's go.
Let's go.
Stay blessed. Thank you, Jesus. Wow.
Brazil is known to be one of the most amazing tropical areas and beautiful views and nature. So basically this cafe embodies that as well. And one thing more amazing about the Vida Cafe that you should know is it's not only a cafe but also a football. They have different branches like a football academy. They also do philanthropical activities. Foundation is also a foundation whereby they usually regularly go to the streets to give food to the poor and actually help the less privileged kids with a lot of education, as you can see right here. As you can see, Football Association, they also offer football. It's actually a football academy as well, and also a foundation for the less privileged kids. So we're gonna take a look at this area as well. As you can see, Marcel, Rio. The owner is from Brazil as well,
So what do you think about the place so far?
I think the place is really beautiful. I think the place is really amazing. It gives me a lot of positive vibes, and I believe this is the right place if you want to actually come and have some walk, some alone time for your own self, and actually have fun. You know, this place is very cozy in the heart of Bangalore. So guys, I'm pretty much amazed, and what I love most about this place is they are actually looking forward to help the community. I've actually known the owner personally, and I really appreciate and love their work. The fact that they go around and actually put effort to help the less privileged kids, the less privileged people. They go around every weekend and actually give food to people, and which is much amazing. So bringing all this together, the academy, Vida Football Academy, the educational center for the less privileged kids, and actually the cafe whereby you can come and enjoy the vibes. So guys, right now we are going to be trying the Vida Cafe food. So stick to the end of this video to see how everything goes by. Let's go.
So just a quick question. Do you have any idea about what Brazilian food is?
I have a good idea about Brazilian food because I did some research about Brazilian food before actually coming here.
That's
and
amazing.
I've actually before watched a lot of documentaries about the Brazilian cuisine, and it was really surprising for me that they have actually a similar culture to mine, which is the Cameroon culture or the African cuisine. We share same type of food, we share same ingredients for cooking, and we actually have similar cooking patterns and similar cooking styles. So that was what spiked my curiosity to actually come here today in Vida Cafe to do a review about their food.
What is the ingredient that you're talking about that is similar to the Brazilian
The
cuisine?
ingredients are like manioca, they use manioca, which is cassava. They also grind it, they use manioca in several ways. They also have several similar ways of cooking their food, like maybe their rice, their fufu, and all of that. It's pretty much beautiful. Guys, what is more interesting about this cafe is just like 5 months old, so it's pretty much new, like a newborn baby in Bangalore. They also have a dedicated library, so you can actually have a huge amount of books to read when you get bored while waiting for your food to get ready. Guys, these places are very much amazing. It's very much cozy. I really love the environment. I feel very comfortable being here, and I'm very sure you as well is going to feel comfortable. So if you find yourself in Bangalore and you want to try Brazilian dishes and Brazilian cafe and bakery, head yourself to Vida Cafe Bangalore. Just type on your map Vida Cafe. It's gonna be there. It's one of the best, really much appreciated by everyone who comes and eat here. So right now we are going to be doing a review about the Vida Cafe food, and I'll be giving you my honest review. You all know that I always give my honest reviews in all my videos. So today I'm going to be telling you guys if this food is actually nice, so you can know before coming, so you don't have to waste your money on anything. So I'll be giving you the right review.
I just received the first batch of the food and I'm mind blown right now. It looks so amazing and it smells so nice. And guys, wow, the coffee smells so good and it's so beautiful. I can't wait to actually try this. So guys, this is actually pao con carne, which is actually beef sandwich. It's not the ordinary beef sandwich you see around. This is homemade beef sandwich and I'm actually excited to look at it. Come closer. Take a look at this. Look at how juicy it looks like. This is so beautiful and it smells so nice. One amazing thing about this beef sandwich is actually that the bread is homemade. Here we have the beef burger and guys, you can see how beautiful this looks like. It smells so beautifully nice, guys. I'm actually salivating, actually thinking about this. Vida Cafe has one of the best looking burger I've seen in a while, guys. Guys, this is actually called cuisine. In Cameroon, we have something similar, which is like, they call it chicken pie, but this is actually called cuisine. It is actually a Brazilian chicken croquette, and it's perfectly filled. Come closer. It's perfectly bite-sized snacks. They are seasoned with shredded chicken filling, covered in dough, molded in teardrop shape and fried. It's actually delicious and it comes with an amazing price of 100 rupees. Guys, can you imagine that? Pua con carne is actually 208 rupees, guys. Can you imagine? Homemade original Brazilian beef sandwich is actually 280, which is pretty much cheap if you're converting it in dollars. And here we have the beef burger, which is actually 300 rupees. Guys, where are you gonna find such an amazing burger for 300 rupees? Guys, only in Vida Cafe you're gonna have that, and you're gonna enjoy this beautiful environment as well while you are enjoying it. Guys, we also have the Brazilian cafe. Guys, we also have the Brazilian cafe. Wow, it smells so good. It is made from coffee bean straight from Brazil, like original coffee from Brazil. It's not the coffee you find around here, imported coffee, and it gives you this amazing vibe. So guys, I'm about to try this right now. Stick to the end and let's see how this tastes like.
So here we have stroganoff de carne, which is fresh cream with rice and beef, and it looks so delicious. And we have here as well the portuguejo, which is actually dough filled with cheese. Wow, such an amazing taste. Right now I'm already salivating and I'm going straight right to trying these delicious dishes. So guys, firstly I'm going to try their wow. Guys, this is so delicious, like wow.
Show the inner part.
Guys, sorry for licking my fingers, but it's so delicious. I'm trying the burger and let's see how it tastes like. Wow. This looks delicious for real. This tastes so good. Guys, right now I'll be trying the portuguejo. Let's see how it tastes like. Wow. Wow. Guys, right now I'll be trying the cuisine, which is filled with chicken, mashed chicken. So let's see. Guys, I'm not actually overreacting now. This is really delicious for real. Guys, I'll be trying this dish right now. I'll take a bite and tell you guys my honest review. As you can see how beautiful it looks. So perfectly. Wow. So let's see. Okay, I'll add more beef to it and wow. I'm actually shocked by the texture and the delicious taste of the beef. Mushroom, beef, the beautiful sauce, and the rice as well. This is an amazing mix. Finally, guys, I'm going to be trying the Brazilian famous coffee. As a reminder, these coffee beans are actually imported straight from Brazil, and let's see how it tastes like. Wow. Woo! So nice, so amazing, guys. This was my review for Vida Cafe. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm actually going to give them a 9.5 or 10. The 0.5 is because actually, I don't know, I didn't have more to eat, but this is actually one of the best cuisine I've tried in a long while since I reached India. And à la santé. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Let's go. Guys, we're back to the dessert, and here we have two beautiful, delicious desserts, which is brigadeiro and beijinho. Here we have Maria Mole. It actually jiggles. It looks very delicious. Guys, this is Brazilian flan. It's actually like a cheesecake, but it's not a cheesecake. It looks very beautiful and delicious and very juicy as well. So
have all the Brazilian dessert here, and I'm going to start with the Brazilian flan because it looks so attractive and it's one of the most favorite dish for a lot of Brazilian people. A lot of people recommended me to try this first, so let's see how it is. Wow. It is actually nice. It's really delicious. Now guys, we're gonna be trying the Maria Mole. I'm very much sure that I will like this compared to the Brazilian flan. So let's go. As you can see how it looks like foam texture. Guys, right now I'll be trying the Brigadeiro, and I'm sure I'm gonna love this. It looks like there's some chocolate flakes on it. So I'll remove it from here and try. Wow. This is actually nice. It has some strong chocolate taste. Really delicious. So guys, this was my review of the Vida Cafe desserts. I tried all of them, and honestly my review is actually good. I will actually recommend you to come to Vida Cafe and try it yourself and have your own review. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried one of these desserts before, and thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Let's go.